So this shape we have to increase the thickness little bit. The thickness or a size we can increase by using the same circle, increase the size.
Yes, yes.
See this now, it is showing one of the rounded shape is filled between the mouth and body. Okay,
Some
now
point
for this
building type.
we have to add surface reverse direction.
थोड़ा रोटेट भी कर सकते हैं ना उसको.
हाँ, ऐसा.
हाँ. It looks natural.
Yes. So now here we have to add handle.
Handle also extrude.
Yes. So the same circle, just delete by type history. Then bring this to handle body position where we want to place the handle. Okay. I'm moving closer to the body place and rotate exactly. So afterwards create a path again, curve tool. So just like this. Now select the circle and the path.
सर्कल शायद बड़ा हो गया, पतला करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, बाद में करेंगे. नहीं, सर्किल तो ठीक है, वो बहुत थिन है तो अच्छा नहीं दिखता इसके साथ देखे तो.
हाँ, प्रोपोर्शनेट पहले.
So now we have to go with again extrude. Then this circle we have to move inside. And select the tube. Then go with extrude, scale option, decrease the size. Okay.
स्केल ये क्या वन साइड को स्केल कर रहा है?
Yes, just like a tapper. We have a tapper option, right? The same manner it works. But if you want to work out with this scale tapper option, the circle should be exactly at the up position, front. One of the starting point position you have to place the circle.
नहीं, इक्वली स्केल नहीं कर सकते.
इक्वली बोले तो
मींस ऑल
दोनों तरफ.
हाँ, मींस
नहीं, इसके साथ नहीं कर सकते हैं. ये इक्वली स्केलिंग ये सर्किल को पकड़ के करना है.
ये सर्कल को.
ये पहले इस तरफ किया था ना मैंने.
हाँ, समझ गया.
सर्किल को पकड़ के स्केल किया तो पूरा इक्वली स्केल हो गया ऐसा. तो अभी ये टैपर दे दिया था स्केल
एक ही साइड में. हाँ,
ये एक ही साइड में हो रहा है अभी.
टेपर की तरह स्केल होगा.
So with the hull also you can do the scale with the help of hull. This hull बोले तो in 3D Max it's like segment or spline.
अच्छा.
तो इसको select किया तो it selects all the vertices of that particular edge or hull position. Then roundedly it will scale
Okay.
all the sides of this position.
Okay.
कहाँ पे आपको बड़ा करना है थोड़ा बड़ा भी कर सकते हैं फिर से. You can do a little bit bigger than before. Okay. And at this place you can totally close. Okay.
हॉल ऐसे स्पैम मेरे को मालूम नहीं था, अभी दोनों का यूज हो गया.
हाँ. तो ये समझ में आ गया ना. So now I'll go with how to create a temple pillar.
वो भी वही रिवॉल्व में.
हाँ, but So how to add the shape, that we have to know.
Okay.
So now first of all select all objects here, Alt Shift D, delete the history. Then without selecting all surfaces, if you want, you can switch off this select surfaces on off tool
अच्छा
in the
अच्छा
status line. So
अच्छा
just switch off this, then you can drag, and if you select, see, it selects only curves.
okay.
So now you can delete all curves. Now the surfaces again you can select everything.
तो क्या
See,
थोड़ा लेयर के बारे में थोड़ा बताना, जैसे हम लेयर हाइड करके
हाँ,
करते हैं ना वो
means यहाँ पे actually what it is not compulsory to use the layer, but in the
नहीं, यहाँ
production
पे
we
हाँ
have to
आगे
use.
हाँ 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 आगे
Yes. So here, for example, I have the total object, but everything is moving individually because it is a NURBS. So you can't attach all the surfaces at a time. So you can keep all these surfaces in one group. As a group, you can move. So in the edit menu, we have a group. Control G is the shortcut for group.
yes yes
So now it is a group 1, right? For this, you can add a name like Teapot. So here in the Windows menu, we have a outliner. In the 3D Max, we have select by scene or select by object like
हाँ
that, right?
हम्म
So the same manner here we have the teapot group. You can see in that what are the objects we have, that you can select individually also, and this is the total group. Now coming to the layer, here and after the channel box we have the layer palette at the down. Okay, for example I have two objects. Okay, this is one of the group and this is the single object, right? If you want to place teapot in one group, I mean one layer, select the teapot layer object, then click on this and it won't enter into the layer like 3D Max. Okay,
अच्छा
so you have to select the
मैं
teapot, right click on it, go with the add selected object.
अच्छा
So now it is added with the layer. See this? See, in 3D Max layer is compulsory.
हाँ
Whenever you create object, automatically it adds into the default layer,
हाँ डिफॉल्ट लेयर हाँ
0 default layer, right? But here it is not adds into the layer. You have to add it.
मैनुअली हाँ
If you want, you have to add that. And you can rename by double clicking. So this is my teapot layer. And you can pick some color for the visibility position. So I added the red color. So that red color indicates here, and if you press 4 wireframe, 4 is the shortcut for wireframe. So you can see wireframe color with the selected shade, whatever you are selected for layer position.
yes yes in Max also we are using
And here we have the V for visibility.
visibility हाँ P पर
See, V for visibility. P is the new option. I don't know exactly what is the purpose of it. I'll check out later. Without this or with the help of this also, you can see the model and you can select. Okay. So next is the R for reference, T for template. First one. This template means it shows the wireframe, and
last
we are unable to select
three
this. It
हाँ
is
three
frozen.
हाँ
Okay, and if you press again on the same position, it gives us the reference R, means same, it is also frozen, you can't select this, but
only
it shows the
visible
object.
object हाँ
Yeah, it shows in the object mode, T shows in the template mode, means transparent mode.
हाँ
Okay, so these are the basic layers concept.
okay
Okay, so if you want to add multiple layers, you can again create a new layer here. Okay, this layer you can add with this, see like this. Okay, again if you want to move the object out of the layer, right click on it and remove selected object.
okay
So then this object is out of the layer now.
Now we can delete that layer.
Yeah, that's your wish. You can delete or you can use for another
अगर
object purpose.
अगर ये टीपट वाला लेयर को डिलीट करना चाहे तो हो सकता है।
हाँ, ऐसा डिलीट कर सकते हैं, ऑब्जेक्ट को कुछ नहीं करेगा वो।
हाँ ठीक
आपको 3D मैक्स में तो ऑब्जेक्ट भी डिलीट हो जाएगा, है ना।
है। हाँ वही वही डाउट
तो
था।
यहाँ पे तो लेयर के साथ कुछ नहीं होता, ऑब्जेक्ट डिलीट तो नहीं होगा।
ठीक है।
Means layer is not compulsory in Maya. Only for production purpose we can use to
तो
understand and to
हाँ
know proper
बात लिख
positions.
सकते हैं, हाँ काम करने में आसानी रहता है ना,
हाँ,
हाइड करते हैं।
वहाँ पे क्या है 3D मैक्स में फोटोशॉप जैसा ही लेयर कंपलसरी है।
कंपल्सरी है।
विदाउट लेयर वी कांट वर्क विथ मैक्स 3D मैक्स। कुछ भी क्रिएट करो आप, एक लेयर क्रिएट हो जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक वहाँ पे, है ना।
हाँ नहीं तो
डिफॉल्ट
ये कुछ
डिफॉल्ट लेयर में आ जाएगा। So this is what the concept is up to the layer palette and revolve tool. Okay, so now I'm going to move the group teapot and the bottle to side, and here I'm going to add one of the temple pillar. See now, create CV curve tool, 3 cubic I'm using again. So I'm going to start the pillar from this place. X is the shortcut to snap to the grid.
आप ऊपर से आ रहे हैं ना।
हाँ, पहले नीचे से आया, अभी ऊपर से आ रहा हूँ। किस तरफ से भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। इट इज़ नॉट दैट यू हैव टू ड्रॉ ओनली इन द पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन। So once everything is created, so now apply a revolve. See, clear? Clear? Now the same move from here, change the pivot to center, control G. Whenever we do the group for this, automatically it creates a new group with the transform tool comes at the center, grid center. Or else you can press the modify center pivot to move to the object center. Okay, modify center pivot is the shortcut to move to the object center pivot. This is the option for modify center pivot shortcut.
I can.
या नहीं तो press D. D is the shortcut to activate the pivot. Okay, then move this exactly to the grid center. Okay,
X पकड़ के.
yeah, snap with the X, snap to grid. In the Y axis also you can snap exactly to the down. So after that again press D to activate the move tool, rotation tool and all. Then control D once we have to do the duplicate. Okay, control D, and in the Y rotation add 45 degrees
Yes.
to get the 8 duplicates. Okay, then go with the shift D. Shift D is the shortcut to get the offset duplicates. Offset का मतलब है it maintains the same distance and it will give us the multiple duplicates. Okay. So if you want to create a top, now go to the front view. So from here we can create the top like this. गोपुरम, गोपुर बोलते हैं ना?
हाँ गोपुर. आपका तेलुगु ना हिंदी में?
या तेलुगु. मैं हिंदी में बोला था गोपुर.
हाँ.
So like this you can create the shape. So inside ceiling भी आ जाएगा, flower जैसा ये सब रख सकते हैं if you want. Now add the revolve. Right?
Reverse direction.
बस कुछ मॉडल्स करके स्टैट यूज का स्कल्पचर का यहाँ पे रख सकते हैं. So this is what Revolve tool completely. So have you understood?
Yes, yes.
So with Revolve tool we can also create chess coins.
हाँ chess. हाँ.
So that you know now how can you create the chess coins, right?
हाँ chess coins. हाँ.
So little bit we have to go with the booleans and all wherever we need the cuttings of the chess coins. Means in the chess coins we can see some of the cut positions, right?
A king and queen.
Yeah. So that I'll show you in the tomorrow's class how to make the chess coins, and I'll continue with the remaining tools like barrel tool, and with the extrude some of the other tools are there in the extrude that I'll complete. Then we'll continue with the remaining important tools here. Okay. Then we'll start the polygon.
Okay.